Hey guys, it's Annalise2261 and I will show you how to make a Lego minifigure walk. Sorry you see the lamp right there. It's just to make my other camera show. So yeah. Alright, first step, you just put the minifigure's leg like that. And you just take a picture. Let me just take a picture. Alright, take the picture. Next step, you move his leg just like that. Then you take a picture. Okay. Next step, you take his leg and just swing it over there. And you take a picture. Next, you just do that. Take a picture. Basically, it's just doing the same thing all over again. And take a picture. Next, you do that. Take a picture. Then you just run over there. Take a picture. And you do that. Take a picture. And you do that. Take a picture. We're halfway done. You do that. Take a picture. Do that. Take a picture. Then lastly you do that. Take a picture. Well, then you can do that if you want to end it like that. Take a picture. And there you have it. Well, let me just show you.